What's going on, everybody? It's James Zapp.
I'm Jared Gilbert.
Of the Dapper Den Barber.
Oh, you want me to say the whole thing?
What's going on, everybody? It's James Zapp.
One more time, man. I wasn't ready.
Yep. What's going on, everybody? I'm James Zapp.
I'm Jared Gilbert. This is the Dapper Den.
How are you worse at this sober? What's going on, everybody? See, now I can't do it, dude. What's going on, everybody? This is James Zapp.
I'm Jared Gilbert. This is the Dapper Den Barbershop.
And today we're going to be going over the new Hi Viz Trimmer from Wahl. This is 2024, the dawn of a new era. We haven't done reviews in a while, but we're going to
do a review of 2023.
Yeah, the whole year of why it was terrible. But we're going to come back with a lot of reviews. We had a very busy year last year. Some big things are happening. We're very excited about that, but we're going to start doing these more often, hopefully. But yeah, so if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, hit that notifications button and stuff. But yeah, let's get right into this Hi Viz here. So Wahl sent this to us. We're very excited to have it. The box is super cool. Not everybody gets this box. I was doing like an influencer thing.
Oh, so you have to be special.
Special, and when you get the box, it's a super cool.
James is very special.
It's all in the details, baby. It's all in the details. So it comes with a charging stand, obviously, which you like a lot, but it does also have USB-C because you're, as you said, barber on the run. Which is not, it's a barber on the go.
I'm running from the law.
Yeah, it's a barber.
You never know when you're gonna have to cut hair in jail.
It's a barber on the go.
Yes.
135 minute run time on a charge. Very good. 360 degree view on the whole thing. Relatively quiet, not that loud. Also comes with the zero gap adjustment tool that you can use on it. Great metal housing. Greatest thing about this, I know what you're going to say. You're going to talk about
itself.
The blade itself, DLC coated, all that.
Okay. So, I mean, the housing you were talking about, I thought it was a little awkward a little bit when I first grabbed it. Once you start moving it around in your hand, there's actually more positions that you can actually hold than most of the other clippers out there. Trimmers. The housing is unique. The stand, I first noticed, it's not getting in your way. Normally, when I'm trying to use my charger up against the wall, it drives me insane that the plug is sticking out and I can't push it all the way, where this one, you could kind of slide it over and it could have a flat surface in the back. Or you could go the other way completely, too. Correct,
you could go to this way. Yeah. Now, we do skin fades very differently, and I know that, but when I make my first bald line, I go all the way up with a trimmer.
Okay.
And then I'll hit, like, that's my main line, and then I'll go up with the Profoil. Not all the way with the Profoil, but leave that. So this is perfect for that, for most textures of hair. If it's super, super coarse hair, it might pull, but it does have that adaptive speed that it will kick into like overdrive if it needs to.
Jerk the motor back.
Yes. But I've noticed sometimes it might pull if the hair is too coarse. You might want to use something like a softer trimmer for that. But to do my initial guideline, it's great because this is the absolute lowest it will go before skin, right? Before I use the Profoil. And
so with the zero gapper, you would definitely recommend using this on a beard to line up the beard.
100%. I've used it on this, like to do these. It's super tight. It doesn't pull. I've noticed that with the FX3. We had a video where I did the FX3, that's a super sharp blade. That's too sharp for me, is that it will leave marks if you have any, like I have a super sensitive neck.
Dry skin,
yeah, it'll just leave marks.
Just red.
Yeah. It's great if you want to do like lineups and stuff like that for the FX3.
But
this is an overall everyday clipper or trimmer for me, because it's still sharp, but it's sharp without irritating anybody.
Would you use this around the ears? Would you use this for the beard?
Yep, I use it for the beard. You know, freehanding, I like it a lot. When we do our beards, you know, we have the guys lean back and we try to get that line. Like this is perfect because it'll take everything off, even with coarse beards. And just cut right into it, give us that nice, like, because all the guys, you know, come in, they want that solid, crisp, like Viking line.
I noticed when I'm...
You don't know because you don't have a beard anymore.
Yeah, it's coming back.
Because you're a loser.
It's coming back.
If you like the Babyless, Babylit, whatever the hell you call that name, if you're looking to replace your like Gold FX or like the skeleton trimmer or something like that, this I think is so much better than that.
Okay.
Yes, if you're looking to replace that, this is the trimmer to replace that. For the at-home user, yes, this is not waterproof. This is a professional grade trimmer, but if you want something to get nice crisp lines in between, you feel confident doing it yourself, this is something you should absolutely get as well. With the zero gapping tool, this is something I got it out of the box and it worked, but then I just said I want to just try this. But after I did this, it worked so much better. So you just slide that in the top and everything. So I would recommend, no matter when you get it, even if you think it's perfect out of the box, get your just zero gap. So that's pretty much the Wahl Hi Viz Trimmer. I love it. It's my go-to now. We do thank you all for sending this to us, even though this is a sponsored thing. This is what we do love about it. This is a go-to of mine now. This is on my station constantly. You can buy this at wallpro.com.
You're gonna put that somewhere?
Somewhere will be here. Up here, down there. Wallpro.com. You can use the discount code JZAP10. Get yourself a discount. Follow them on Instagram at wallpro. Follow me on Instagram, james.zap.
The Dapper Den Barbershop?
I think it's just at Dapper Den Barbershop. There's no the.
Somebody changed it. They didn't even tell me.
Yeah, we lost it. Remember?
At Dapper Den Barbershop.
At Dapper Den Barbershop.
Or
there's no .com in his Instagram handle. It's just at Dapper Den Barbershop.
Right. So, I was gonna actually say, or you could go book an appointment with me or James at the dapperdenbarbershop.com.
Yes.
Thank you.
You could do that as well. You could do that. We finally got there.
Yeah, we're here.
It's $199. It's a steal. I think it's great. I think it's an excellent trimmer to have in your arsenal. Wonderful. It's going to replace, I think, once you get your hands on it and use it, I don't think you're going to want to use anything else. Personally, that's my opinion, but try it out for yourself and let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below if you've already tried it.
Definitely.
If you like it, maybe leave a comment if you don't want to try it, what you've heard, what you don't like about it, or just leave a comment and say what's up or give us a good knock-knock joke or something like that, or a dad joke. We're
dad
doing
jokes.
Dad jokes recently.
Dad jokes.
Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.